Or 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And forward 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. This was a cable pilot for a project to build an artificial lake and a dam, but they blocked all the project. After, when we crossed the last canyon, that is the canyon where the project started, I show you. Fortunately, it was a victory. So here is prohibited now build anything, and it's in process to be recognized as a human heritage. Yeah, so now they have only a contract that they can build dam, but they are in the process also to be recognized. Yeah, yeah.
To your left, Ellie. Now it looks like a tree but covered in
Exactly.
vine. Yeah, that's amazing.
It's amazing. It's a
It's
system
like a
of trees.
green waterfall.
Exactly, green waterfall. Exactly. So this is a typical formation of the primal forest. Full cover by vegetation, full coverage.
How do you guys get everything back?
Oh, well, we arrive in Secures,
Yeah.
and from that point we organize the shuttle back.
Yeah.
It's a pretty complex operation, eh?
I can imagine.
But most of the time we are out from home. Forward, guys. 3 stroke. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Very good.
Your next lot, I guess, to go out tomorrow, or?
Tomorrow I don't know what I do. Literally. I don't know if I enter in 2 days, 3 days, 1 day. Whoa. I know this night at 7. But we have a very good group.
Yeah.
So we are a group of friends. So and it's super important to do this because we pass all the time here, not with our original family. Forward, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and stop. Very good job. So now we enter also in a session when it's pretty low water, so shallow. Sometimes we have to paddle on the rocks. That's it. I know it's annoying, but so these are natural rivers. So now after the flood for several months, there are still not the channel, no, in the small rapids. Forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Very good.
So that vine there, eventually it'll kill the tree, won't it? The tree won't be able to get any light.
I don't know.
There's Attenborough would know.
Yeah, probably. Forward, guys. Stop. Very good. Forward, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and stop. Very good. Forward, guys. Forward, guys. Forward, guys. Forward, guys. Forward, guys. Stop. Very good. Jump all right. Jump all right. Jump all right. Jump all right. Very good. Back to position. Back to position. Back paddle. Back paddle. Back paddle. Back paddle. And stop. Forward. 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 And stop. Very good. This is rock garden. For obvious reason, forward. 1, 2, 1, and stop. Very good. Pay attention now. Forward, guys. Aggressive forward. 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 Stop. 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 Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle, back paddle. Stop, stop. Okay. Okay. I got it. Forward. And stop. Very good. And there is another base camp here. Beautiful.
This is the one lodge that was past ours.
Yes,
right?
exactly, the first one.
Yeah.
And forward, guys, some strokes. Stop, very good. And look, this orange flower on top of that tree.
Yep.
This tree is the poro. Yes. Blooming now in summer, dry season. And it's typical of the tropical environment. They use also to plant the coffee plantation to do the shade for the coffee plant.
Yeah, I read this in the book.
Yeah.
The whole tree book.
Yes. It's